Is DOA dropshipping right for you? Let's dive into my experience. Find links to DOA and related resources in the description below. DOA connects entrepreneurs with a vast supplier network, simplifying product sourcing, inventory management, and order processing. It's ideal for streamlining dropshipping operations and accessing diverse products. DOA boasts a massive catalog with millions of products across electronics, apparel, home goods, and more. Detailed descriptions, pricing, and availability make niche product discovery easy, perfect for testing without large upfront inventory investments. DOA's single integration system streamlines multi-supplier workflows. Source from DOA's network and manage everything through their platform, saving significant time, especially with high volumes or diverse SKUs. Real-time inventory updates keep your store's stock levels and pricing accurate, minimizing out-of-stock risks. DOA seamlessly integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, automating inventory and orders. Pricing optimization tools help adjust margins and stay competitive, crucial in fluctuating or highly competitive niches. Advanced filtering helps pinpoint profitable products. While DOA offers great value, its subscription fee may not suit absolute beginners. However, experienced dropshippers or those scaling will find the features and supplier access worthwhile. DOA is excellent for dropshippers needing a reliable, centralized platform for sourcing, inventory, and supplier coordination. Its catalog, automation, and pricing tools make it a strong choice for building a scalable business. Check the links below to explore DOA and see if it fits your goals. This review should help you decide if DOA is the right platform for you.